A shopkeeper sells a jacket for $80 after giving 20% discount. What was the original price? Let's solve it. 20% discount means customer pays 80% of original price, because 100% minus 20% is equals to 80%. So 80% of original price equals to $80. Percent means per 100, so 80% equals to 80 divided by 100 equals to 0.80. This tells us that the customer paid 0.8 or 80% of original price. So we can write 0.80 into original price equal to 80. So original price equals to 80 divided by 0.80 equals to 100. So the original price of the jacket was $100. I hope this is very clear.